Choosing my badass knife here. Hopefully it's okay because there's some marking in here. It looks like it was stepped on. Of course that's going to happen in the shipping. Did I miss a side? Nice little instruction set. Who needs that? Return label, just in case. Paper. Let's look at the neck first. Oh, it's got to sit and stabilize. It's quite warm from sitting in the FedEx truck. Oh. That is going to be pretty. I already have ideas in mind for coloring. I actually have some veneer coming because I want to do something a little bit different on the peg head. Everything looks good with the nut. I've seen some where on the kits the nut was put in crooked because the binding wasn't scraped away. It looks pretty good. It's a nice mahogany. 1, 2, 3 piece 4 with the fingerboard. The frets need to be pounded in a bit. Have to decide what finish I'm going to go with on the fretboard. It looked like there was a mistake here and they tried to fill it. But I can fix that. That's no big deal. This nut is not going to be used. I'm going to take that off and put a Graphtec tusk in it. Let's check the bottom now. Looking pretty good. Some weird markings, which will get sanded out. I think my ideas on the coloring that I want to do are going to work out just fine, and that'll be revealed as it happens. The top isn't exactly matched. And it's really light. It's a lot lighter than I thought it was going to be. But I don't see any major issues so far. Oops. Everything looks pretty good. The binding is real nice. Needs scraped in some areas. I'm excited. Cool. I'm excited to get started on this. I have a lot of finishing to do on the top. I need to start with some light sandpaper. Get this smoothed out. I want to smooth it out to an almost glass finish, so there's some things I need to order from that. There's quite a bit of glue. I can feel it around the binding here, and I have to take care of that or the die won't set correctly. There's some glue here. The neck may need to be shimmed. The neck will need shimmed. I don't think these kits are actually made by StewMac, because this isn't StewMac quality. These have to be made somewhere else. I feel that these are probably made somewhere overseas and then shipped over, and StewMac sells them as their own. But there's quite a bit of work that needs done to them, so it's going to take a while, and hopefully make a pretty good series out of it. But I have a really nice color picked out for the back and the neck, and I want to do something really nice with the front of the headstock. Stay tuned. Found my fretting hammer. I ordered this as well. I needed one because I want to do some refretting on my Squire. But it's a nice dead blow hammer, brass on one side, plastic cap on the other. You do have to set the frets in the kit neck. So when it comes time for that, we'll do a video on how we do it.